and I was completely blown. Then मैंने उसको बोला कि मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता हूँ। मैंने उसको उससे नंबर लेकर के उससे बात की। पता ये चला कि ये लड़का कभी पटना से बाहर मुंबई शहर आया ही नहीं है। वो मुंबई नहीं आना चाहता है फिल्म बनाने के लिए। वो वहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ काम करता है, पैसे जुगाड़ करता है। Has done quite a wonder for my career. I was quite I mean, I was a household name. My character's name was Sunil. So with all the housewives and the households, everyone knew about me. Everyone wanted to. It was in their own houses. There were a small fan group which was there, which was kind of not visible to the industry. It is just it was only after Satya that it has kind of exploded.
Awesome. Thank you, Joy, so much. Joy has been wanting to ask that question for a while. I'm glad we took it. Hi, Saurabh. You want to go ahead and ask your question?
Thank you, Janice and Anirudh, for giving me this opportunity. Manojji, a huge admirer of your work.
Thank you.
My yeah, Manojji, my question is: there's a scene continuity in films and web series where assistant directors look after the continuity of the scene. But
Mhm.
as an actor, how you maintain the emotional continuity of the scene and the entirety of the film? Like, so the scenes are scheduled, or the scenes or the sequence of the film are scheduled in different timeline. So how
Mhm.
you maintain that, so that emotional continuity of your character?
Are you
So
an actor?
no, no, no.
You're not. But what a fantastic question you asked me. I mean, no, I mean, none of no actor has ever asked me this question, and it's
Brilliant question, Saurabh.
such a pertinent question actually. Um, shooting in films, that this is what makes it so difficult performing in cinema. There are two things which are very difficult. A, that you're shooting location wise mostly. On one location, you are shooting, 5 episode sequences or 10 episode sequences, and then on the other location, you are shooting, uh, you know, uh, some other episodes, some other scenes. To remember that, to make the graph of it, to make the the emotional continuity of it, emotional graph, and to really remember where this character is coming from. It can't be possible if you don't know the script. It can't be possible if you don't read the script as many times as possible. It can't happen if you are not referring to the script just before you are going for the rehearsal or just before you are leaving your house for the shooting. It's so important to be in touch with the script all the time. It's so when I'm doing a film like Dal 100, where the or film like Con, where the story unfolds in one night, just imagine how difficult it is to go from one shot to another, and in between, you are doing some other things, and then again go for the next shot, and you have to remember where you are coming from in a very subtle form. Okay, in one shot you are talking on the phone, and in another shot you just finishing the talk and getting up and getting out. So in that moment, keeping the fluidity and the flow of this of the emotional graph, it becomes so difficult. But if you are not in touch with it continuously, mentally, or physically with the script, it becomes very difficult. The For me it is very why for me it's such a brilliant question, because this is something that I'm very finicky about. This is something that I don't let it go
I
at
see.
all, and only for that reason I keep referring to the script, keep flipping through the script all the time. By the time we finish the shooting of a film, or say Family Man in this case, I am I have gone through the script more than 30, 40, 50 times. So this is how you can keep the emotional graph of the film, of the performance intact.
But that's a great question, Saurabh. Thank you so much. In fact, Family Man is such a great example because I know you shot season one and season two back to back. But when you
Back
go
to back.
back to season three, you'll have to literally pick up the pieces from where you left off, right?
Yeah.
and that should be an interesting challenge of its own kind.
Right.
But
So,
thanks, Saurabh. We'll move to Ambika now. Hi, Ambika.
Hi Anirudh.
Hi, Ambika.
hi, Ambika.
For hosting
Ambika.
this, sir. Hi Manoj sir.
Hi.
Uh,
Hi, Ambika.
सर अगर मैं अपना सवाल हिंदी में पूछूं तो कुछ गलत
बहुत
नहीं
बहुत
होगा?
मजा आ जाएगा।
मजा आ
भोजपुरी में भी
जाएगा।
पूछ
जी,
सकते हैं आप।
बिल्कुल हिंदी में पूछिए।
जी मनोज सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे बिल्कुल भोजपुरी से ही रिलेटेड है। हम जैसा कि हम झारखंड बिहार के रहने वाले हैं, तो
Yeah.
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप कोई मूवी या कोई सीरीज पूरी तरह से बिहारी डायलेक्ट में क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं? इससे जो बिहार की जो छवि बिगड़ी हुई है वो सुधर जाएगी सिनेमा को।
Did you hear the question, Manoj? Because there was a bit of a lag.
Yeah,
बिहार में कोई
अच्छा
फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाते आप? क्योंकि बिहार की जो छवि है, क्या वो हिंदी सिनेमा या फिल्म के थ्रू क्या हम उसको सुधार सकते हैं?
देखिए, हम लोगों ने एक फिल्म बनाई थी बहुत साल पहले, शूल बनाई थी, और वो वहीं पे उसको सेट किया था। क्योंकि कहानी के जो भी रेफरेंसेस थे वो अनुराग वगैरह के जो मिले थे वहाँ से मिले थे। तो और फिर गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर भी जो है हमने उसी तरफ बनाई थी। ये फिल्म से छवि कितनी सुधरती है इस पे अलग से बहस हो सकती है। उस पे मेरी राय अलग हो सकती है आपसे। लेकिन ये बात बिल्कुल सही है कि हमें उस बैकड्रॉप पे कुछ और कहानियों को लेकर के फ़िल्में बनानी चाहिए। अ, मैं तो एक्चुअली उससे आगे जाकर ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं भोजपुरी में फ़िल्म करना चाहता हूँ। उसके लिए स्क्रिप्ट हम लोग खोज रहे हैं और लगातार खोज रहे हैं कि मैं एक फ़िल्म कोई भोजपुरी में करूँ। अ, उसके लिए सब्जेक्ट जो है ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट मुझे लगता है फाइनल हो रहा है। उसके राइट्स को लेके बातचीत चल रही है। लेकिन अगर भोजपुरी में हम लोग फ़िल्म बनाएँगे और सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो होता है उसके डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को लेके होता है, या हम उसको कहाँ पे बेच पाएंगे, कहाँ पे हम जो भी थोड़ा बहुत पैसा हमने लगाया है, ज़्यादा बड़ी बड़ी फिल्म नहीं बना सकते, क्योंकि कोई पैसा लगाने को तैयार नहीं होगा। लेकिन मेरी अपनी इच्छा है कि वो फिल्म भोजपुरी में करूं मैं, क्योंकि उस फिल्म को भोजपुरी में किया जा सकता है। तो कोई भी भाषा या एक्सेंट वो वो डिपेंड करता है कि कहानी क्या है और कहानी कहाँ की है और उसको किस तरह से कहनी चाहिए। उस पे हम अचानक से ये नहीं सोच सकते कि किसी भी कहानी को कहीं भी किसी भी क्षेत्र में डाल दीजिए। हर कहानी की अपनी मांग होती है, उसके हिसाब से ही हम कर पाते हैं।
जी शुक्रिया
Ambika,
मनोज सर।
thank you.
आपने मेरे सवालों का जवाब दिया सर। थैंक यू सो मच और नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू सर। बहुत अच्छा लग
थैंक
रहा
यू
है आपसे
अंबिका।
बात करके।
थैंक यू आने के लिए स्टेज पर
थैंक यू।
अंबिका। अंबिका बहुत डरी हुई थी, वो मुझे बोल रही थी बार-बार मैसेज में कि क्या आप पूछोगे? फिर फाइनली वो मान गई आने के लिए स्टेज पर। थैंक यू
कितना
अंबिका।
कितना अच्छा बोला।
और अब हमारे पास सबटाइटल्स का भी जादू है, तो आई एम श्योर मूवी विल हैव अ लार्जर ऑडियंस नाउ।
मनोज
राइट।
एक्चुअली लेकिन आपने एक पते की बात की, अगर आपसे कोई कांटेक्ट करना चाहे, सोचो मतलब क्योंकि ये ऑडियंस अभी भी हमारे पास, आई मीन आई थिंक ओवर 1100 पीपल सिटिंग इन द ऑडियंस, अगर कोई आपको मतलब कोई स्क्रिप्ट भेजना चाहे,
हम्म।
वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? अब
अरे
को आप
मैं आपको जहने बहुत ही कमाल की बात घटना बता रहा हूँ, और मैं
बताओ।
उस लड़के का नाम नहीं बताऊंगा। वो एक लड़के ने मुझे मेरे ट्विटर के डीएम पे उसने एक शॉर्ट फिल्म भेजी, और वो शॉर्ट फिल्म मैंने देखी। और मैं अमूमन देख लेता हूँ, और मैं देखता हूँ कि भाई 2 मिनट 4 मिनट 5 मिनट में शॉर्ट फिल्म समझ में आ जाती है कि इसको आपको देखना है कि नहीं, आपके मतलब की है कि नहीं है। और वो फिल्म मैंने देखी, पूरी उसकी 15-20 मिनट की थी, एंड आई वाज कम्प्लीटली ब्लोन। देन मैंने उसको बोला कि मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता हूँ। मैंने उसको उससे नंबर लेकर के उससे बात की। पता ये चला कि ये लड़का कभी पटना से बाहर मुंबई शहर आया ही नहीं है। वो मुंबई नहीं आना चाहता है फिल्म बनाने के लिए। वो वहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ काम करता है, पैसे जुगाड़ करता है, और वो अपनी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाता है। बट अमेजिंग विजुअल सेंस, सो यूनिक। मतलब इस तरह का विजुअल सेंस मैंने हाल फिलहाल में देखा नहीं है किसी के पास में। और इस तरह की स्टोरी टेलिंग जो बहुत ही अपने आप में यूनिक है। एंड आई टोल्ड दिस गाय दैट यू राइट अ स्क्रिप्ट फॉर मी एंड आई एम रेडी टू डू अ फिल्म विद यू इफ आई लाइक दिस स्क्रिप्ट।
वाओ!
बट if you can't make a full fledged film, uh, then we'll think about a short film, but I have to do a film with you. You are such a talent, and if you need any help to be in this city, I'm ready to help you. But he doesn't want to come to this city. He wants to create from Patna itself. So this is that easy. It's there not, now it's never about having my phone number. There are so many other ways to send your work to me, or 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 send your number, or writing to me, or a story to me. If I find good, after reading few pages, I'll complete it, and if I really find it amazing in its full form, I'll get back to you. But if I think that it's not up to that mark, I'll move on. Because there are other responsibilities that I have to be with.
So basically, Manoj, your Twitter DMs are open. So if any writer wants to get in touch with you, they can probably send you a short synopsis, or
Short
maybe
synopsis, yeah.
a link to a PDF, maybe
No,
in the
no,
DMs.
no, just short synopsis, Anirudh, because even if they send me, they will start sending PDF, then
तो आपकी रीडिंग बढ़ जाएगी.
मैं रीडिंग बढ़ेगी, उससे ज्यादा ये होगा कि मैं वही काम करता रहूंगा फिर.
बट मैं बोलना चाहूंगा सभी राइटर्स को कि जब भी अपना वर्क किसी भी एक्टर डायरेक्टर या स्टूडियो के साथ शेयर करें, प्लीज उसे पहले स्क्रीन राइटर्स एसोसिएशन के
Always.
साथ रजिस्टर करवा ले. यू डोंट हैव टू बी इन बॉम्बे. They have an online service. You can call their number. The swaorg.org is their website. Please get your work registered before you share it with somebody. Please keep that in mind. And now we'll take the last question of the night, which is from SL. Hi, SL.
Hi. I really enjoyed this whole, discussion today, and it was interesting to actually know the insights. So thank you so much for arranging this, and also very excited to talk to you, Manoj Bajpai directly. So kind of nervous
Thank
as
you.
well. A huge fan. I think I've seen Satya, Gangs of Wasseypur, Aligarh, and Family Man. In fact, Family Man is a huge hit everywhere. So my question is, since you have been talking about acting, that that's your passion. So do you ever get Monday blues? Is there something about your profession that you don't like?
There are too many things. You know, that, there are too many things I don't like. I don't like about my profession that it is here success is actually measured by the box office, or how much money you have earned your film has earned, uh, uh, instead of your talent or your ability being considered. It's always about the commerce. That is something that I don't like at all. Also, I don't like um, the what do you call the chaos on the shoot. I mean, it's everybody shouting on the set, and the actors. I mean, the actors. I'm talking about the kind of films that I do. Actors are not given that kind of a peace, or that kind of a secluded space where, or the consideration that the actors need that kind of a quiet or silence, just to be there, be in the zone, to get into the zone, to be prepared to face the camera. So, yeah, I mean, but other than that, I must also tell you that from the time I've started working in Indian cinema till now, lot many things have improved. Lot many things are in order. It's a different industry altogether.
Thank you, SL, for your question. Uh, we have pretty much reached the climax of this room. Thank you so much, Manoj, for hanging out with us for 2.5 hours almost. Almost एक feature film का length हो गया है यहाँ पर.
गुलशन ने
और
क्या बोला ये बताओ.
हाँ, मैं गुलशन का मैसेज पढ़ूंगा, पर मुझे उससे पहले एक आखिरी सवाल पूछना था.
जी,
बेसिकली
बोलिए.
मुझे एक फिल्म के बारे में डिस्कस करना था. Ideally, I would have liked to have gone slightly in depth, but because time is short, and
Right,
also because Ambika brought up the fact that you should do a film in the Bhojpuri language, there
right,
was this fantastic film that Abhishek Chaubey made, which not a lot of people unfortunately saw because it was almost entirely in the Bundelkhandi language, which is
right.
Son Chidiya. right? Which
Right.
had a fabulous cast, obviously spearheaded by you. There was Ashutosh Rana, there was Ranveer Shori, there was Sushant Singh Rajput, there was Bhumi Pednekar, and I think it's one of the finest movies that have been made in Bollywood. Any thoughts about that film? Do you feel maybe it was slightly underrated, overlooked? You feel that if it had maybe come out now on an OTT streaming platform with subtitling and things like that, the movie would have reached out to a slightly larger audience. What are your thoughts on the film?
Oh, definitely. This film would have been somewhere else. There too many goof-ups happen. Instead of getting I mean, what has happened that I mean, there was a dubbed version of it also in Hindi, if at all it was demanded by the exhibitors. Uh, but some goof up happened, and because of that, some misunderstanding. It's quite a long story. Cutting the story short, I must tell you that Son Chiria as a film and Son Chiria for my performance, both ways I put it right on top in the top five list of my career. Uh, it's the look the it's a classic. It's a modern day classic. It talks about existentialism. It talks about redemption, and that too, you know, when it's set in the brutal, lethal, bandits world. And it is talking about that kind of a philosophy. It's and without even really being too preachy or too philosophical. So
Ye-
that's the director is somebody that I'm a big fan of. I've done Ray with him, Hangama Kyun Hai Barpa, and it has been again he has proved what a brilliant mind that he is. I'm doing one more fascinating stuff with him. I will not divulge too much because I'm not allowed to. We'll be getting into the rehearsal mode after 10 days.
Yeah, it was an incredible film, and also the way it just turned the entire antagonist and protagonist, tropes on its head. Just the bad guy, good guy tropes were completely turned around on its head, and it was such a clutter breaker in many ways. And I also want to tell everybody who's present in the room that Soncharia is streaming on Z5. So for anyone who's not watched the film, you should totally go check it out. As Manoj has himself said, it is literally a modern day classic.
In fact, Anirudh, I've been getting a lot of messages, so I'm just going to do this, guys. A lot of you have DM'd